Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy David, NerdBlock Day from the Random guys. So I'm gonna open my NerdBlock 2014 October block. This is a special one. So this is the test one of theme. Every starting January 2015, there will be different themes. So I got the NerdBlock Classic. Ready? Color theme. 2014 October 2042, guys. Alright, come closer. I'm opening it. This was inside the box. I'm gonna show the t-shirt later. So I got some Jay and Silent Bob thing. Oh, the theme is Collide, okay? And we got Zelda danglers, so I'll put it on my keychain or backpack. Pow. Spider-Man, Batman, Wolverine, and Superman. Okay. Arkham, Eliza. What is this? Oh, sticky notes. Cool. I like it. Oh, yes. Let's get a pop vinyl. Oh, pop vinyl. Deadpool. Cool. And here's what's inside. I got a Captain America card, Fox, Zelda danglers. Oh yeah, the t-shirt already. Hold it. 2 complete set of cards. Agent Caruso Vintage Captain America trading card. Let's see. Oh, certificate of authenticity, official pop replica. This is that a company clever is an authentic pop replica produced by. I'm gonna keep this. Not gonna open it. Cool. Last but not least, t-shirt. That's tight. It's awesome. That's what I got. T-shirt. Got that. Sticky note stuff. That. Okay, I'm gonna open this cello thing. Yeah, 16 to collect. So let's see what I get. What guy is that guy? That's neat. So this is NerdBlock